Hi guys, welcome back to Roatan. I'm Sophia Fedio and I'm your Roatan Realtor. So today we are back in Mahogany Hills. We are going to check out the Casita that's under construction because we have a lot of updates that have been done. The kitchen has partially been installed and I want you guys to have a look at that. First, let's have a look at this view. It never gets old. So we are enjoying our hot season, our summer season now, but today we have a fantastic breeze. So let's go check inside. So the house is looking really great. The exterior is almost complete. We do have this wonderful parking area, which is almost complete as well. They do need to lay the groundwork here. So this is where the kitchen is going to be.